Good morning, beautiful humans. I am going out on the roof today. Fitzroy Island. Yeah! This is the fit we decided on. I'm just wearing my bikini underneath. It's literally basic as linen shorts and a linen shirt.
Say hi to the vlog. On my feet. I am such sensitive toes. It kind of is. I gotta.
This is the view.
So sweet.
Bamboo.
Bamboo? I don't think that's bamboo, Dan.
You can use that. New glass.
I said I needed you, but baby that was
Bacon egg roll. There you go. Got a gorgeous popper.
lace up your shoes now. Why don't we say how we're feeling? Don't get confused how. You know we end up on the ceiling. So aggravated, I can't explain why I need it. Don't complicate this. Don't get too caught up on conceited. No need to hear you so loud.
Ain't no belly, I don't know the song. We've got a sleepy gal over here.
This place is called Granite Gorge and there's a waterfall up here. I'm going to show you.
Don't cry now, Virginia. This is not over yet. Maybe you can't win for ocean, and you really get desperate. So fight fire with fire, it's okay. Keep calm as you pull down the driveway. It's a headlight, it's an epithet. Focus on